Is that gate open? Nah, hell nah. They got that bitch on extra security. Yeah, y'all. Good night for racing on the internet for sure. Yeah. Oh, she got hers embroidered. Oh, no, she didn't. Ooh, I need to get her, put a little lookout racing in the back like mine. Her, man, show 'em mine, fool. Les, you need to figure out a way to get money and be seen a little bit more. That's your goal?
Let me know, bro.
Okay. Yeah, man, cause
that's the goal there. Fuck, work less, make more. Fuck.
Okay.
Yeah,
cause I ain't been able to see. You got the Trans Am. Yeah, but I'm just saying, man. I'm ready for you to. Damn, I lost 100 people.
Man, they see my ass. I was like, fuck that motherfucker.
Hell yeah. I lost 100 people.
Nah, she'll be out pretty soon.
I damn near want to leave. I want to leave now, 100 people. It is going up, but shit, I want to leave, boy. 100, 81 now. I lost too many people. Oh, it done went back down. Now, hey, I'm gonna come back when they finna race, y'all. Y'all just.
He oversees something.
Man, that bitch went back up. Wait a minute. Damn, my hand's cold too, man. Hey, wait a minute. Hey. Oh, I've been chilling at the track, drinking on Bucana. Drunk is really. Hey, chilling at the track, at the hood track, drinking on that shit. Sitting in the back. I've been in the track, sitting in the lane, trying to drink the drink, feeling all the pain. They will be back when the racing starts.
You still got that SS or what?
Yeah, I got the Chevy Caprice and I got the Mustang.
You got a Mustang now?
Yeah, I got a Fox body Mustang and a Chevy Caprice and a Chevy Caprice.
From that Fox.
A 25th now.
If it's a Fox body, it's automatically a Pro Mod.
You know what? I'm gonna tell you why mine ain't. I'm gonna tell you what make me different from everybody else. I drive my shit to the track. I drive and I got overdrive transmission. Do you got overdrive still? See? Well, I'm actually driving. I'm more streetable. I don't got no truck or no trailer. I'm driving it to the track. So if me and you race, I gotta drive it to the track, get on your ass, and drive it back home. And I got 312s in it. System jamming like a motherfucker. Dimming the lights, HIDs in the front, full interior, carpet, leather, sun visors, all that shit. I get on your ass.
Who you finna get on, look out?
Him? I'm finna get his ass right here.
Fuck I do, man. I ain't do shit to nobody.
You said it. Soon as I get a tune, I'm calling you out, cause you got a close to street car. You barely went over the street car standards. But I got full interior seats, headliner, the light come on when the doors open. I even got remote start. I got remote start on my race car. I'ma drive it to the track. I ain't got no truck, no trailer. I ain't changing no wheels. I'm pull up, get in the line. I'm keep the same wheels on it. Yeah, they got bead locks. That ain't shit.
I ain't even got bead locks.
It don't matter. You know, when you got a Ford, you get shit cheap. So I got mine for the low. But I'ma try you. Me and you in the same class. Me and you in the same. You boosted, I'm boosted. Well, I got a LSA. I got a LSA. Yeah, that ain't shit. That ain't shit. LSA. A Pro Charger make way more power than the LSA.
What's the LSA?
A LSA is a supercharger that come on a 2009 Cadillac CTSV.
Okay.
09.
So it's a supercharger.
Yeah, it's a supercharger, but it's a 09 supercharger.
It's not the upgrade.
And we in 2022.
It's not the upgrade.
Nah, it's a 09.
So you said that you could take the old
They
version.
already done made a new one from the factory with more power than the one that I got. So you gonna take the
old version.
I'ma use the first one they came out with.
And dance with him.
I'ma use it for him.
And you said he updated.
Mm-hmm. He got
P1SC on 8 pounds.
Yeah, P1SC.
I don't know what that means.
Oh, that means that it costs $6,000.
That
Yeah.
what it mean?
Yeah, starting.
Story.
Yeah, then he need intercooler, all this extra ice and lines and
But you
shit.
ain't work
It's
though.
an air to air.
But you ain't work though.
It worked. It's worth the 6, but it cost 6.
So
He got a deal paid 3, but still.
But
It cost
What you
6.
say? No, you say 6, fuck it, it's 6.
It's 6. He paid 25. He don't never pay full price for shit.
basically,
I don't even want to think of price, bro. It's done past that point. It's like,
Yeah.
It's according to how fast you want to go though, right?
Yeah, he
So
had to get bigger
y'all-
injectors
but
and shit.
y'all still street though, right?
Yeah, he ain't driving here. He trailer.
Oh, he trailer.
Yeah, he
That's a whole different
trailer,
class, then.
1 seat.
That's a different class.
it's 2 seats.
Oh, it's 2
Got
seats
full
now.
dash, 2 seats.
That's a different class. If you don't drive it, I don't know that. When you do the
Yeah.
street thing, though, you got to drive.
But I'm
around
like,
the mile
yeah,
by
yeah,
30 miles.
I'm lighter though, cause I'm in the Fox body.
Yeah, I
But
got
I'm just,
factory front, no tube front, no cage.
Yeah.
No fucking, none of that shit.
he in my class. I'ma try him.
Factory style suspension.
Now, what
I'm
kind of
pull
car you
up.
got, bro?
He got a Trans Am.
Oh, you got Trans Am.
It's real nice, man. He been having it for a minute. He finally said he used to be bullshitting. I think his parents and them had money, and he was buying shit, experimenting with all the shit that had a supercharger and shit. And he was running that shit. He was running that shit. Then he said, "Fuck it, mom, I'ma get a job." Then he went and got a job. He started getting money.
So which one you gonna race him in your Mustang? Or
Yeah,
that? Oh, okay.
I gotta do the Mustang because his shit running.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, he got that $6,000 shit.
Now the SS, what's that? That Chevy SS? What's that?
Nah, he got a.
Nah, I'm talking about
Oh,
the
mine
other
a Caprice.
car. That Caprice.
Yeah, the police car.
Okay.
Then we changed it all up.
But you gonna run him in the Mustang?
Yeah, I gotta get him in the
He
Mustang.
got a Trans Am.
Yeah,
Oh, it was a
about
370.
but he got a trailer car.
Oh, really? Stock head bolts, stock rods.
just saying
Trailer
it didn't come
car
with the 600.
with a badass
Well, yeah.
supercharger. This
I mean,
bitch better than my shit.
it's all
Cost
got an
$6,000.
There you go.
No cute.
Oh, look at
So
your
both
big
y'all
head.
gotta do is
High
just get up there,
compression,
hit the
Yeah,
gas.
See,
and
now
go
yeah,
on.
we ready.
It was on fire.
We ain't got to.
Hey,
But I still might.
the valve seats, they
I
got
might
so
put
hot. The
something
valve
on mine.
seats.
That's my goal.
So you can
Nice.
put the
Valve
some
seals all
nitrous
melted
On my
I mean,
supercharger? Yeah, yeah,
Put a
yeah.
little money in it.
That's what I need to do
I
though.
tell you, we took it
Yeah.
to planes, got the
Cause
machine
I don't want to be
going.
playing
what
with
you
these
got was a motor that was
motherfuckers,
hot.
man. I need to go
Yeah, it
home.
was a hot
So
motor.
you ain't gotta tell them what you finna do.
Man,
Just
hey,
do.
on
Nah, I mean, shit. They think I'm bullshitting anyway.
They think you playing.
Yeah. And
They already know
then
that you ain't.
my tuner,
Yep.
this motherfucker think I got
I've had
money.
nitrous on everything.
He told me,
There's a
oh
lot more.
man,
I
you
got
ain't gotta
fucking
run
got
nitrous
nitrous
no more,
Cavalier,
man.
Granddad.
Just